क्या
डॉग्स रो रहे हैं. Hey guys, welcome to What Makeup. If you're new here, then hi, I am Bon and welcome to my channel. I'm already laughing because there's just so much ambient noise and so much, like, you can just hear this car going in, and for a change I thought that why not shoot outdoors. Actually it was not my idea, it was Rishabh's idea. I'm feeling cold, there's a lot of noise, but for the purpose of creativity and change, we are shooting in a different setup today, and I have for you guys another episode of Makeup Must-Haves, which I did an episode 1 before, and I'm going to link the video here on the screen somewhere for you guys to watch. And this is the second episode where I'm going to talk about a few makeup products slash beauty products that I recommend, that I like, that I've been loving, and I absolutely feel that you guys should also go and check them out and maybe try them out if you can. And if you guys want to know what those products are, then let's get started. So much clapping happening. So the first product that I have with me today is actually a moisturizer slash like primer, and because we are already in the winter season and good makeup, especially during the season, starts with good skin, because you don't want dry skin and you don't want your skin to be dehydrated before you apply any makeup. And a very good primer and a very good moisturizer is this one from PAC. I'm going to bring it a little more close to the screen. I know you guys probably can't see it over here, but I will insert a product shot separately because the lighting here is so different. But this is the PAC Lightful Moisture Cream, and oh my god, this is extremely, like, I would say like a heavy duty hydrating moisturizer that you can wear ignore the sounds, that you can wear beneath your makeup, especially during this season when you want to do your makeup, and if especially you're wearing heavy duty makeup, which might be a lot of like foundation, concealer, like getting ready for the shadi season and all of that. This cream is going to really make sure that your makeup sits very beautifully, everything seamlessly, like blends into one another. And honestly, it is actually one of my most used, I would say, like moisturizer right now, that I even use despite having times when I don't need to wear makeup. It has dimethicone in it, and I personally do not like primers or moisturizers or those silicone based primers that have that dimethicone texture, which I can probably like associate with the Smashbox like photo finish primer. I don't like that finish, but this is somehow like a hybrid of that plus a good heavy duty moisturizer. So you guys have to really you guys have to really try this out and check it out. It is definitely one of my most recommended, I would say, like primer that you can probably get your hands on if you haven't used primers before doing your makeup. But yeah, very recommended, and also not very expensive, and there is like a huge quantity in this tube, so it's going to last you a long time. My next product is, I think, the hero product of this video, and it has been one of my most loved products in my last 2 videos as well, where I have talked about this product before, and I'm talking about the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Foundation. I am never able to say the name in one go, so which is why I have to take that pause. If you guys haven't watched my full video where I unboxed a whole lot of Charlotte makeup like goodies and beauty products, and I also did a full face of makeup and first impressions on these products, I'm going to link both the videos one after the other on the screen over here. But if there's one product that I have really loved and I absolutely recommend and I absolutely like guarantee that you guys are going to love, is this foundation from the brand. Oh my god, like I could not almost believe the first time when I wore this foundation, and I had to wear it for like a wedding within the family. And I kind of stay away from matte foundations in general because I have dry skin, and especially during right now, like, you know, the winter season, I'm very iffy about makeup, you know, which is matte is going to wear well on my skin, but this surely has. And I don't know if I should say this and if it's too early or not, but if you guys know me or have watched my videos before, you guys know that one of my favorite and most loved foundations is the NARS Longwear foundation, and this is almost like kind of replacing that. So that's like a huge and a very big deal for me to say that this foundation is kind of like outdoing that one. But yes, I really love this foundation. I have this in the shade 8 Warm Chaud. So if you have, you know, complexion that's closer to my skin tone, or maybe you are like a couple of shades here and there, you can try this shade. And the only downside I would agree is that it's a little expensive. It retails for about 4,000 bucks, which I completely understand that it's not maybe in everyone's budget, but I would still suggest and say that if you are looking to invest in makeup in the way that something that's going to last you a long time, something that you can get the most out of, especially during this season, you know, you have New Year's, you have Christmas, you have weddings, you have parties, you want to look airbrush and you want to look flawless, get your hands on this foundation. I kid you not, guys, you guys are going to love it. My third product that I have to share with you guys is a cream blush, and especially like right now, because it's like chilly and during this time of winters, I keep on saying winter season makeup, and I can't help it, but that's true because I'm also in a place in an area where it gets chilly very soon, and especially during the season I always use and reach out for makeup that sits well on the skin, and that mostly includes like cream products. So what I have with me today is actually a cream blush from the brand Nudestix, and it's in the shade Sunset Strip, which is this really nice, like, I'm going to swatch this slightly on my hand to show you guys, is this really nice like corally pink color shade, which is super nice to wear, especially if you are in my like complexion category and if you want something that gives you that flush cheeks look. I have that on my face today, on my cheeks. I'm wearing that and this looks beautiful, and I would say that if you are someone who's looking for your makeup to look very flawless, I have talked about this factor even before, that if you wear cream bronzers, if you wear cream blushes, it kind of looks more seamless and it kind of looks like you can't make out from where your makeup is starting and ending. So cream products always will make your makeup look more seamless and more natural versus powder products. But of course, it's never to say that one is better than the other. During this time, if you really want that flush glow and those rosy cheeks, and if you don't get your cheeks or nose to look rosy naturally during, you know, the chilly like season and the nip in the air, reach out for a cream blush, and maybe this shade from Nudestix. It's available in Sephora's across India, or you can also order it online from sephora.nnow.com, I think is the website. I'm going to link all the details down below in the description box. But yeah, a very good blush to try is this one from Nudestix in the shade Sunset Strip. My fourth product is again a Charlotte Tilbury product, and this is also one of my, I would say, like one of my most loved products out of all the products that I did try out from the brand. And I'm talking about the eyeshadow quads that come in this format in the shade Pillow Talk, and this is the Luxury Pops palette, which comes out with these 4 colors, which are very like neutral, brown and mauvey like pinky tone. Out of all the shades that are available within the brand in these eyeshadow quads, I kind of feel like this particular shade scheme is the best that can work with multiple outfits of any colors, because these are very neutral, and overall the pigmentation and the finish of these eyeshadows are super nice. They are super buttery. This don't look like hard glitter, because I don't really like those shimmery hard glitter eyes. They are very soft, light, like shimmery in the way that your eyes and your makeup kind of looks dreamy, and I really love all these 4 shades. You can wear this with neutral makeup, you can wear this with like a bold lip that I have right now, you can wear this with you know, a very bright outfit you're wearing. Everything looks very complementary with these shades. This again is a little expensive, but I feel that if you invest in one of these eyeshadow quads, this one especially is the one that you can get most out of, and you will not feel the pinch of this being that expensive. My final product is actually a setting spray, and I don't know how I haven't shown this in any of my videos, or I don't know if I have, but I'm going to definitely talk about it in this one, and this is the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Spray, Makeup Fixer, and this retails for about 950 bucks on Nykaa. And oh my god, I'm really into like these aerosol sprays at this point. This noise is distracting me. That's the security, like. So coming back, I was talking about the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer, and this retails for about 950 bucks. And as I was saying, I am really into aerosol sprays at this point for my makeup sprays, and I like those fine mists versus those ones that spray in a lot of water. And this is like this is amazing. It's almost like a deodorant like kind of a spray, but it sprays in like the right amount of water, and even if I go in with like this, you can see the amount I'm spraying on my face doesn't get wet. It's just going to make it the right amount of like dewy, the right amount of radiance and the right amount of hydration if my makeup suddenly starts looking very matte, or if I applied like too much setting powder, if I applied too much like powder products and my base overall wasn't very hydrating and I probably did not use a good moisturizer, and I tend to do that. This makeup fixer just fixes it. I mean, it fixes it to look good, it fixes it to last long, and I don't know, like this just makes me like use it even more and more. And I actually have 2 of these in stock because these keep going out of stock very soon on Nykaa. So if you guys want a good makeup fixer that you can keep in your vanity, that has a very nice spray, you can feel good about your makeup and also like refresh it very instaantly, check this one out from PAC. I absolutely recommend it. So those are my 5 products that I had to share with you guys today for this episode of Makeup Must-Haves with What Makeup. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then make sure that you thumbs it up. And if you are new to my channel and want to watch more videos from me and What Makeup, then make sure that you subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of my video uploads. I'm going to see you guys next week, maybe in this setting, maybe in a new one. Only one way to find out. Get back on my channel next week. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.